Hi, I'm Anne Hannon. I'm the co-founder of SortMyBooks.com, the online accounting software. I'm here to guess why you're on our website today. I've got 3 possible scenarios I'd like to run by you and just see if any of these resonate with you. Have you been investing time and money in software, systems, bookkeepers, accountants, only to find that you're working harder than ever, but you're still not getting the results you need?
My client, a food producer, was trying to do everything right in that he had a cash flow facility, he had a bookkeeper, he had an accountant, and he had accounting software. But unfortunately, none of the items were integrating with each other. Since he was referred on to me, I've been able to use SortMyBooks to get all the various requirements and all the various parts of his business talking to each other for the benefit of him going forward so he can grow his business.
Have you tried other software only to find out when it's too late that it doesn't even comply with Irish VAT regulations? Essential items for you like the VAT-free report, the cash receipts basis for VAT, the return of trading details report, and the reverse charge VAT.
Hi, my name is Sarah Daly from Growforth. We have used SortMyBooks since we started the company 8 years ago. We chose to use SortMyBooks because it complies with the Irish VAT regulation. The VAT on SortMyBooks can be closed off on a bi-monthly basis. SortMyBooks also accounts for reverse charge applies and RCT when running the VAT. The annual trading details on SortMyBooks mirrors the layout that is on Revenue Online. The software also accounts for receipt or invoice-based invoicing.
Are you afraid that the software is going to be just too complicated and you're going to be left high and dry once you've paid?
That was the one thing that really attracted me to this software. The great opportunity to get one-to-one training, and that training really can be applied to exactly what you require for your business and the reports you need to give.
Do any of these or similar scenarios apply to you? Why not take advantage of our 30-day free trial? Or even better, schedule a call with us. We'd love to have a chat with you about your particular circumstances and just see where we can help.